Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also, and I hope you have completed all the targets of the day 1. And this is the schedule for today, and today is the day 2 of this 45 days schedule for IBPS Clerk 2021. If you are a beginner and if you follow this schedule religiously, then you will complete your syllabus and your practice on time. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything, just keep doing the things which are written in the schedule. So now we will start for today's schedule. So first is current affairs. So for current affairs, I have given you the task of covering the current affairs on daily basis because it is very important. Do not try to revise the previous current affairs at this time if you are a beginner and if like you are only targeting IBPS clerk, okay, because the date of mains is not clear yet, so you just have to cover the daily current affairs from Affairs Cloud. And if you have not bought the course of Affairs Cloud, then the link will be given in the description. You have to click on this link and then you will go to their page and you can buy it from there, okay, and by using my code you will get 10% discount also. But one thing I want to tell you is that if you cover current affairs from Affairs Cloud, then there is no need to go anywhere. At the time of mains, you will be very confident about the current affairs, okay? So the content of current affairs of Affairs Cloud is very, very good. And for Affairs Cloud, like how to cover the current affairs, first you have to watch the video of Affairs Cloud, which is given on daily basis. Sorry for this background noise. So first you have to watch the video of Affairs Cloud, which is given on their YouTube channel. After watching the video, read the question answer PDF of Affairs Cloud of daily basis, okay? After reading that PDF, after watching the video, you will take hardly 10 minutes to revise the PDF of question answer, okay? And after reading the question answer PDF, go to the app and attempt the quiz, okay? Because if we attempt the quizzes for current affairs, then we can retain the current affairs very easily, okay? Then for maths tomorrow, there are 10 simplification questions, 10 approximation, 10 quadratic and 30 wrong number series. And these things will take around 1 hour. Today you have to do 30 wrong number series, as yesterday you did 30 missing number series. So today you have to cover 30 wrong number series, okay? And these things will take around 1 hour. Then you have to practice percentage level second. First you have to watch the videos of Amar sir and try to learn the basics. After learning the basics, try to practice the questions of level 2, okay? And for these things, like for the speed test and other reasoning questions, you can go for Guidely's PDF course also. Guidely has launched a PDF course for IBPS Clerk, and IBPS Clerk PDF course contains the questions in Hindi and in English language also. And one more thing is that if you find any doubt in any question, then they provide video solution also, which I think is best, because if you get video solution for your doubts, then you can clear your doubts very easily. Now we will move to reasoning. So for reasoning, tomorrow you have to cover the basics of direction sense chapter, and after that you have to practice 20 questions of direction sense, okay? And direction sense of prelims level are very easy. You can go for Bankers Point YouTube channel, and from there you can cover the basics of direction sense. After that you have to practice 10 mixed puzzles of prelims, and for these mixed puzzles also you can go for the Guidely PDF course, because it contains the mixed puzzles in the quiz format. So it helps you to increase your speed also, which is very good in the prelims examination. Now we have English. So for English, yesterday you covered the noun chapter. Today just try to revise the noun chapter, and today you have to cover the basics of pronoun chapter, okay? Just cover the basics. After covering the basics, try to solve 2 prelims level DI from the PDF course which I have told you from Guidely, okay? And just try to read one small story in English. So just write on Google small story in English language. There will be some short stories, you can read it, because you have to develop a habit of reading, and I want you to develop this habit to clear the English, okay? So just try to read a small story in English, and that's all for tomorrow. Try to note these things down in your notebook, and after that just keep doing all the things one by one, Okay, so this is the schedule for around 8 to 9 hours, and I think if you are a serious aspirant, then you can definitely give your 8 to 9 hours. Okay, so that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.